family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am filming two videos today, so you guys gonna see the same outfit. I own it, so I can wear it twice in one video. So today I wanted to introduce our new addition of S Secrets products to you guys. We came out with new shampoos and conditioners, but I haven't had the time for me to sit down and just, talk about the new products and introduce it to you. You already know about our S Secrets caffeine oil and our S Secrets scalp stimulating oil. We also have other oils like our carrot oil and our coffee oil, but we are going to discontinue the carrot oil and coffee oil. So personally, we are running a promotion. If you buy a steam cap, you will get a free carrot oil in your package, just so you can test both the oils and the steam cap for you to know exactly how it works. Now, this is first come, first serve. We don't have much carrot oil left. So if you want free products, then buy the steam cap. The steam cap is $42. The carrot oil is $20. So you will basically be paying $22 for the steam cap plus free shipping. So it's the best time for you to get your hands on that. And apart from that, we also have our vitamins, because you guys know I teach healthy hair, both internal and extender. You cannot just grow hair only from outside. And if your inside is not good, like, low iron, vitamins, your nutrients, if it's not balanced, that can also lead to a lot of hair thinning and a lot of other hair problems. So make sure you take care of your inside. When people normally reach out and ask for help, the first thing I always tell them, go to your doctor, run some blood work, see if you are deficient in any vitamins, and if you are, fix that, and then come back, and then I will walk you through a whole routine. You guys know, if you are new here, I was diagnosed with both traction alopecia and alopecia areata. I was able to regrow my hair back. I grew my hair to my waistline twice, and this is my third time that I'm regrowing my hair back to my waist, because I want to got my hair professionally straightened and I got heat damage. So I'm now trying to grow that back. I think we are about 15 months now into this new hair journey, growing my hair to my waistline. And as you guys can see, my bone is getting very big because I now know how to grow my hair, how to retain length. I mean, with the years of research and study, and that's why I make all of these amazing products, so that you guys can be able to experience it for yourself as well. Now, let's talk about the new line. You guys already know the old line. Number one is our gloss shampoo and conditioner. Why gloss? Gloss is healthy hair, softer hair, more manageable hair. Now, your hair, you need to balance your hair. Protein, moisture, bonding, all of those treatments, they are important for the hair. You cannot just build your hair up with protein, and then you also do not have moisture to balance it up. So this is our gloss line. This line hydrates the hair. It leaves your hair soft, shining, moisturized, and all of these ingredients, all of my products is made with clean ingredients. We stay away from all harsh chemicals, and that's what S Secret stands for. So yeah, the gloss line, it smooths your hair, it shines, and it nourishes it. So if you are someone who like wash your hair once a week, maybe 1 week you can use like the gloss line, the other week you can use the keratin line. If you wash your hair twice a week, which is amazing, I just made a video on that, on washing your hair more often. I now wash my hair every 4 or 5 days, and I cannot believe how my hair just turned around from tangles to moisture to healthy scalp. So nowadays I use the gloss shampoo in between my wash day. The next line that we launched is our keratin line. You'll be like, Selena, why keratin? Our hair is made of 90% keratin. Keratin is the building block of our hair, and we need to keep it healthy. Now, our keratin get broken down from the environmental factor. Our keratin get broken down from constant manipulation, brushing, combing, all the harmful things that we can do to our hair, color treatment, relaxer, and all of those things. We need keratin in our hair. Keratin also strengthens our hair, which will eliminate breakage, tangles. So the more I learn about hair care products, the more I research, because I love to teach myself. I love to research a lot. I love to, they say knowledge is power, right? And the more I get to know about keratin treatment and bonding treatment, I'm like, why didn't I think of this a long time ago? So yeah, so keratin is really, really beneficial for our hair. And that's why we also launched our keratin line, our keratin shampoo, and also our keratin conditioner. Now, how often can you use keratin on your hair? It's fine for you to use it once a week. Do I recommend for you to use keratin every day, wash your hair every day with keratin? No. Do I recommend, advise you to use it once a week? Absolutely. I use my keratin once a week, and because of that, I've noticed less shedding, less breakage. My hair is strong, but it's not stiff and hard that is going to break. And then I balance that also with my moisturizing or my gloss line. The next product in the line, this is our sensitive scalp shampoo. Let me tell you, this shampoo is amazing. If you are someone who's suffering from dandruff, itchy scalp, burning, this is for you. I brought this because a lot of people started reaching out that they having sensitive in the middle of their scalp is dry, their scalp is itching. I'm like, what can I do? And I'm like, we need something specifically for sensitive scalp. This shampoo is also dermatological tested. It's made with clean, natural ingredients. And if you are someone who have dry scalp, even if you don't have dry scalp, but you just want something very calming to your scalp, something that is, how should I say it, just relaxing to your scalp, then I would say I highly, highly recommend our sensitive scalp shampoo. I'm pretty sure this will really go viral and do well on a lot of people here, because nowadays the environment, we don't eat healthy, our food, there are so many things in it. So a lot of things happening with our hair, a lot of people struggling with hair issues nowadays. I know about, because I am in the hair care industry, and I know that because of the harmful chemicals that are in our products that mainstream brand doesn't care about, but I care about you guys. So I make sure that when I bring a product out, I make sure that it's something that I live by, something that I use, my family use, my children use. So yeah, this is our sensitive scalp shampoo. I don't want this video to be too long. The last product that we introduced is our moisturizing shampoo. Now tell me, Epradel, who doesn't want a moisturizing shampoo if you have type 3 hair or type 4 hair? Who? Who doesn't want that? And apart from that, even if you use a clarifying shampoo, which you can use once a month or even twice a month, you need a moisturizing shampoo to go and balance that. Yes, absolutely, you do. This moisturizing shampoo, I had some of my customers already bought it and they try it and they reach out and say, Selena, we love this shampoo. They use it on their dry type 4 hair, and it will clean your hair, but it wouldn't strip your hair of all your natural oils. This is what this moisturizing shampoo does. Apart from that, yeah, it hydrates, it softens, and it restores. This is for dry hair. If you are someone who wash your hair, which you should start doing twice a week, and your hair is dry, then stop using hard shampoo on it. Turn to, or even if you use a clarifying shampoo, go in and use a moisturizing shampoo. Moisturizing shampoo are also included into my routine. All of our new line, I listen to customer feedback. I went out and I interview people exactly what they want to see that is not on the market, what type of products they would love. And these were recommendations from my customers, from people that I met on the street and interview, from functions that I went to and interview people. And that's how I came up with these products. Apart from that, I use these products every day on myself and my children and my family. And I'm pretty sure that these products will also do great for your family, your entire family. So if you want to check out these new products, I will leave my website link down below. And if you are watching from YouTube, you are my YouTube family, I have a special discount code for my YouTube family. You can use that code anytime. You can also give it to your family. for you to get percentage off on every product that you see on my website. It's just a way of me saying thank you very much, because God first, if it's not for my YouTube family, S Secrets would not have come this far. So thank you. You guys deserve a special discount each time you come to support me and support my hair care business. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.